back to my YouTube channel for another video of my new pair of the new Air Force LXX pair of Nike shoes. So yeah guys, this is a very special pair for me because of the color combination again. And I looked so much for a shoe like this at Nike. Of course I had also these very colorful shoes that I already love. But if you know me, you know that I often like it a little bit more simple and casual, and this pair of shoes were my choice. So I will show it to you. This is the shoe, guys. I will show it to you also from the front. You can see this beautiful brownish coloring that you don't find so often. Yeah, so all in all, this shoe has a lot of white leather. It's like a mix of white leather and like normal leather, and also the coloring is just kept in brownish colors. You can see on the white leather you have a little bit of lighter brown. What I really like about this shoe is that the logo, which are on both sides, is kept in a little bit more darker brown, and this is very good because you can see the logo much more better. And the second fact that I love about this shoe, I'm absolutely find it stunning, is that it's in combination with this beautiful golden hardware, guys. So I really wanted to have a shoe with golden hardware, and I finally found it. So this shoe has beautiful golden hardware, which is also very simple kept, but it fits this coloring a lot. And if you look here on the behind of the shoe, you can see that the Nike logo and Nike Air is written very decent in almost the same brown as this beautiful leather part here, and it goes up to the Nike logo in same coloring. What I would say is that here the Nike writing is like a little bit more shiny, so it's also same color but different structures, and this kind of thing you find it all over the shoe. I will also show it to you from the side so you can see the sole better. If you look closely, you can see again the same brown tone and the same white tone as the leathers are. They are like mixing, and I love the thing. I love that it is just in two colors but different structures. The sole is also very thick. I mean, it's not a very thin sole, which I find very comfortable, because then if you're walking with those shoes you feel a lot of comfort, and it really gives you like a little bit of stability. And yeah guys, this is my beautiful Air Force LXX. I would recommend this shoe also because of the price, which is 120 euros. And I know that it's like a quite pricey price for the Nike shoes, but for this model, guys, and also this structure of materials, it's very nice price. Oops, I will just show it to you again with both shoes. So yeah, this is my beautiful Air Force LXX model. I would recommend this shoe to you all because, as I told you, it is a very beautiful shoe and it can be combined with a lot of styles. That's because the color is so simple kept, and it's also a very neutral color. You can almost say that this is like nude color, and all in all this shoe has a lot of class. It's also a little bit elegant, it's not that sporty, and this is also what I like about this shoe. So yeah guys, also if you want to see a video where I am wearing my Nike Air Force and also other sneakers, please just write it in my comments. And if you like my video, please like it, comment it and subscribe to my channel.